Hello, Sudoku friends. Welcome today in the daily newspaper of Thursday, September the 24th, 2020. We have here one regular Sudoku, and this one is a Sudoku medium. In this newspaper, there's also an additional with extra Sudokus. I believe there are 7 extra Sudokus. But first, I will solve this regular Sudoku, and this will be number 1604. Yes, 1604. And before I start, I always count the printed digits so you can compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars and 4 star Sudokus in the additional. The 1 star has 27 printed digits and the 4 stars Sudoku 24. Let me see how many there are in this Sudoku medium. We have here 3 plus 4 is 7, plus 1 is 8, plus 2 is 10, plus 2 is 12, plus 6 is 18, plus 3 is 21, plus 3 is 24, plus 3 is equal to 27. So it's a 1 star Sudoku. Alright, so let's get started. Let me see. We have an 8 in this column, an 8 in the column next. So in that column, the only place for the 8 should be there. In the last row, we have 4 missing numbers. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 4. We have a 2 and a 4 in this big square, so no 2 and a 4 in these 2 boxes. So the 2 and a 4 goes in those 2 boxes. We see here 4, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and 2 goes there. 2 numbers remain, 2 missing numbers. Those numbers are the 6 and the 5. We see here the 6, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 5 goes there. 3 missing numbers in this big square are missing, so the numbers are the 1, the 5, and the 9. We see here 1, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 should be there. The 9 and the 5 are left. Let me mark them. It's a pair in a big square. Alright. Then 2. We have here 3 missing numbers in this big square. Those numbers are the 2, the 7 and the 6. And look, we have a 2 and a 7 here. So in this box cannot be 2 and a 7. So 1 digit left should be the 6. The 2 and the 7 goes in those 2 boxes. Let me mark them. It's a pair in a big square. Alright. This column we have 2 missing numbers. 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 is missing. And the 9 is missing. We see here 9, so no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 5 goes there. Let me see. We have a 4 in this row, 4 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. Then a 9 in this row, 9 in the second row. So in the third row, the only 2 places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 3 in the third column, 3 in the first column. So in the column between the second column, the only two places for the 3 should be here or there. We see here 3, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then a 2 in this row, 2 in the last row. So in the row between, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Then, let me see. How about the, let me see, how about the, in this big square, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. I see here 2, so no 2 in these two boxes. There are 2, no 2 in those two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. Then 3, 8. A 1 in this column, a 1 in that column. So in the column between the middle column, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And I see in this big square 5 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 in these two boxes. So the 1 could be in one of these 3 boxes. So in the first column we have a 1 in one of these 3 boxes. In the second column we have a 1 over there. So in the third column, only place for the 1 should be in these 3 boxes. So the 1 could be here, here, or there. We see here 1, no 1 there. Here 1, no 1 there. The only place for the 1 should be there. Then 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column, so on the column next. Only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be there. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So in the middle row, only two places for the 4 should be here or there. We see here 4, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in the third column, 4 in the second column. So in the first column, only place for the 4 should be here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing, 6 is missing, and 8 is missing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing, 9 is missing, and 8 is missing. Alright. How about the 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column? So in the third column, only two places for the 9, here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, only two places for the 9 should be here or there. We see here 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 9. How about Yeah. 5. 3, 1. A2 in the third column, A2 in the first column, so the column between the second column, the only two places for the 2, here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. Now we have a 2 there, so this cannot be a 2 anymore. This should be a 7, and this should be a 2. And yeah. 2 in the last column, 2 in the column next. So in that column, the only two places for the 2 should be here or there. We see here 2, no 2 there, 2 should be there. And all the 2's are used. I can see digit number 1. 1 digit left in this column for the number 1. 1 in this row, 1 in the second row. So in the first row, the only two places for the 1 should be here or there. We see here 1, no 1 there, 1 should be there. And all the 1's are used. I can see digit number 2. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 7. We see here 7, so no 7 there. Here 7, no 7 there. Only place for the 7 should be there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the 6 is missing. 5 and the 6. We see here 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 5 goes there. 1 number left in this row for the number 3, I believe. Yes. 3 in this column. 3 in the middle column. So the column next. Only place for the 3 should be there. 3 in this row. 3 in that row. So in the middle row. So the second row, the row between, the only place for the 3 should be there. And all the 3's are used. I can see digit number 3. Alright. 2 numbers left in the first column. Should be for the number 6 and the 7. Cannot fill this yet. 6 and the 7. That means the other 2 numbers, 6 and the 7. These should be the 5 and the 8. 5 and the 8. Cannot fill this yet. 5 and 8. That means in the second column we're missing 1 number. 5 and 8. This should be a 6. Alright. Those 2 numbers in this big square. 5 and 8 again. Cannot fill this yet. No. How about these 2 numbers in the middle row? The 8. No. 8 we have the 6 and the 7. We have a 6 here, no 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. These 2 numbers in this row, 5 and the 8 again. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be here and the 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this column for the numbers. 7 and 9. 7 and 9. We see a 7, no 7 there. 7 should be here. And the 9 goes there. Now we have a 9 here, so this cannot be a 9 anymore. This should be the 9. And this should be the 5. 1 number left in this big square for the number 8. 2 boxes left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 5. We have a 5 here, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 6 and 7. We see here 6, so no 6 here. There, 6 should be here. And the 7 goes there. 2 numbers left in this first column. Let me fill this number first in the middle column. This should be the number 5. One number left in this row for the number 7 is missing. One number left in this column for the number 6 is missing. Two numbers left in this big square for the numbers 8 and 7. We see here 7, no 7 there, 7 should be here, and the 8 goes there. And the final two numbers of this big square, the 8 and the 5. We see here an 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there, and the 5 goes there. Finish in 50 minutes, alright. Great Sudoku, I like this one. Do you think so? Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. You can also, if you like medium Sudokus, just find the information below the video. There are several playlists, and one of the playlists is for the Sudoku medium, so you can enjoy all the mediums. Anyway, thank you again. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Yeah, thank you, and I will see you soon with the extra Sudokus. So see you later. Bye bye for now.